I'm Gilbert, here from MrHardware.com and Gilbert's Pro Hardware in St. Clair Shores, here to talk about doing a quick repair on canvas. This happens to be my boat cover. It wore out. We're going to do a quick repair to buy another season out of this. To make this repair, I have some Butyl Caulk. As opposed to a silicone, Butyl's oil base sticks to itself, more flexible, and it tools real nice with paint thinner, which happens to be 100% mineral spirits. So what we've done, taken a 2x4 on the table, so I have a flat surface to work on. I have my wear mark looking real nice across the 2x4. I'm going to take the Butyl Caulk, cut with a small tip. I'm going to put a small bead on top of this repair. By the way, I'm on the inside of my tarp, so the exterior of this won't show. This repair will not be too obvious. So, tip cut small. Small bead of butyl right in the crack. Perfect. I'll stop halfway. Take a little bit of paint thinner, which happens to be a good tooling agent for this Lexel caulk. Use it to smooth and drive the Lexel into the fibers of the canvas. Paint thinner on the Butyl Caulk thins it, drives it into the fabric. What it's going to look like on the opposite side is not very obvious, but we filled in the open grain of the fabric. One of my favorite reasons for using a butyl based caulk is it sticks to itself. So if after this cures, if we feel like putting another coat on, we can. We've just achieved, without a lot of effort, without too much money, the caulk is around $8 a tube. You use a good butyl caulk. You don't use a cheap product here. You get one stab at this. When this cures, water won't come in the seam anymore, and my boat will now stay drier. Just a quick tip, how to keep an old canvas going for one more season.